So as you have already seen the real rates of Digiboxx clouds in the thumbnail, now I'll move to the practical real-time rates chart, where you will find the exact rate charged by the Digiboxx cloud. So this is the plan you have seen in the thumbnail. It's 100 GB for rupees 30. Actually, I have seen many YouTubers have uploaded the thumbnail saying that you will get 2 TB only for 30. So that is not the right information you are given. Actually, you are misled in that. So the real plan is 100 GB you will get only for rupees 30, and this 30 is not lifetime charge. This is monthly rate 30. As you can see, individual 30 you will be charged monthly. For 500 GB you will be charged in 90 per month. Means for 500 GB, as you can see here, you will be charged 1080 per annum. Again, for 1 TB you have to pay 120 per month. It accumulates to 1 TB space, 1440 per annum. And finally 2 TB you have to pay about 200 rupees per month, and it's actually 2388 per annum. As you can see, 2 TB. So again, I have to mention that many YouTubers are misleading you, that you will be getting 2 TB space only for rupees 30. That's not the right data you are showing. So now I'll move on to the real-time practical, where I will show you. So this is my Digiboxx, and you can see the premium user tag. Actually, I have opted for the rupees 30 for just a testing purpose. I have chosen, as you can see, I have paid rupees 30 for 100 GB plan, and I have used only 100 KB till now. So as I will migrate you to the real prices. Now you will see. So this is the billing detail. I have paid rupees 30 plus 18% GST. So GST you have to pay in all. These all rates are GST excluded rates, including this monthly. All are GST excluded packs. You have to pay 18% GST on every pack you are going to buy. So in this you can see I have paid rupees 35.4, that is including GST. And now subscription detail is my individual rupees 30 monthly, tick mark is there. If I want to upgrade, as I have shown you, so monthly 90 rupees per month for 500 GB. Yearly, this is the rate. Again, I am repeating, these are the rates excluding the GST. Again, 120 per month for 1 TB. These all the individual plans. I am showing you individual plans. So 120 per month for 1 TB space. It accumulates to 1440 per year, and finally 200 per month. It is not 30 rupees, 200 per month, 2388 per annum for 2 TB space. This is the highest plan for individual, or you can see for business purposes also. So this is the rate I have shown you. Thank you.